Alright, backtesting every day on Turn Profitable day 131. Let's open up everything I need. I want to backtest 2019 again. I think maybe this session I'll end the month. Or no, as in October. No, so I won't, but probably won't. But let's see. So open up all these tabs. All right. And then yeah, 2019. All right, yeah. This is where I left off yesterday. Going really well. Yeah, let's see. All right. Okay. Where are we in the charts? Friday, 1st of November, 2019. And yeah, okay, so we had NFP. I don't know if I already took a entry on this. If I already took a W on this day. No, didn't. Okay. So going to the PM session and see what we have in the charts. Your price where we're heading towards. All right, so we're at all-time highs, so there's no reason to look for a lower price for me. Looking where we are in structure. This would be all-time highs. All-time highs, and that's also the draw on liquidity. And then what do we have on ES? We have a singular 2-hour busy. And on NQ, same thing. That'll be right there. We did tap it. We also took liquidity inside of this busy, and this reaction so far looks really good for this to be like a turtle soup. Looking at structure here. What do we have? We have a stage of accumulation here with really clean equalize on ES. And that will be the same highs here on NQ. Yeah, it looks really bullish, I want to say. So hopefully you can trade a bit lower before we go higher. It doesn't look like it on ES, no. Still think we're going higher, but just waiting for my setup now. Just looking at the structure, we do have clean lows here now on NQ as well. Okay, we don't go back there. Maybe we want to go like right now. The 4-hour candle opening. Oh, yes, at all-time highs now, I think. Yeah, it is. So yeah, it already took out the drawn liquidity here, but this is also all-time high, so that would still be a target. Trade lower now. Still be looking for bullish prices. If we inverse this, and that would be an entry, which we do. And yeah, it is an entry. This is break even. What am I doing? Right there, and then this break even on ES. That will be the stop. Right there, that will be the inversion. Place safe. Alright, so this is the break even. First TP minimum of 1 and 2 instead of a 1 and 3. That'll be right there as first TP, and then even higher, but it's first TP, you want to go there. Take now these equal lows. Let's see what we do. Okay, I think this is going to be at least a break even now. Don't know what this structure is doing. Okay, I'll just close it out till a loss there. Really don't know what we were doing solidly in here, but that's 1508. I would close it. That'll be right there. Bit of a loss there, but yeah, unfortunate then. I copy this and that'll be a small loss. Really don't know. Like, I want to either want to see the stop loss get hit or the break even, but how can we stay inside of this range for 2 hours? Crazy. So go to the next day. And that'll be Monday, and we don't have any news. Going to Tuesday then. Yo, Georgie, what's up, man? That's always what you The first thing she typed, what's up, Curly? How are you, man? Joshua, what's up, man? How are you? Litik, what's up, man? How are you? So yeah, where are we now? Eventually we did expand higher on Sunday. Crazy. But yeah, we're still at all-time highs. I still think we're just gonna go higher. W stage accumulation, regional consolidation. And that's all-time highs there as well. Really clean highs up here for rank Q. Okay. Where are we? Oh, 30 minutes doing weird again. Where are we drawing towards? Then we do have probably a 2 hour, 4 hour. Okay, so we have a singular 4 hour busy. Does look like we want to go lower. Then we have liquidity in south here, which would be a significant low. Then we have the range in here as well, which I could mark out. And then on ES, I still think we're gonna go higher, so that's why I'm marking these bullish PD arrays out here. Then we do have this 1 hour busy on ES, significant low. This would be the range, and then yeah, we could go lower, maybe to the lows here, which would be that significant low. But yeah, I think we're gonna go higher. Almost re-entry in here. Like if we close below this here, this green line or green box on ES, and then same thing on NQ in 29 minutes, then I would be bearish. What is Tuesday? And we have 10 AM news. Okay. So let's see what we have. Looking at this structure, also this would be a market make a buy model then. Stage of accumulation. We do have some TT's highs. Those are targets. Why doesn't? I wouldn't say this line doesn't look straight, but that's the fib. Pretty good. I have an hour to spare. Might as well just watch it. Nice, man. Nice. Busy with the casino this weekend. Good, good. Nice, man. Yo, Jimmy. Long time no see. Yeah, long time no see, man. How are you? Yes. Let's see. So this could be the juice swing going lower. This change. So gonna. The vertical line disappeared. There it is. And there. All right. So let's see what we have. We do have 10 AM news. We are drawing a lower. 41, just playing out all this structure because there isn't anything yet. And that'll be the 4 hour candle opening. Did we close below? We did. And then on ES, we also closed below. So that'll be now be an inversion. Inversion. Remove this. And now I'm looking for shorts until the low there. Both on NQ, both on ES. Those lows. So let's see. Looking for a bearish setup now. I really wasn't expecting this, but it isn't an entry. Still gotta wait. Nice drop. Nice use of this as an inversion. But yeah, just no entry. Now I'd be bullish again. That low has been taken. What do we have with imbalances? Probably don't really have a singular imbalance. 12 hour. Daily. We do have a daily one that's all the way lower. Don't think we're gonna go there, but let me just mark out this 12 hour one. And then on ES, I have this 12 hour one, and then still I think we're gonna go higher. So the buy side there, there. I'm also good, man. Nice, nice. I'm celebrating Christmas early today with the family, so I won't be here too long. Of course, man. No worries. I want to say hi. Nice, man. Nice. Nice, nice. Yeah, only. What is it for Christmas? 2 days only. Yeah, crazy. Or no? Yeah. 2 days, 2 days. What do we have here? 4 hour low taken. Let's wait for a 5 minute low to get taken now. Really clean equal lows, which we do take now. Now I could be looking for bullish prices. 1044. Do we want to go higher even? We'll see. 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Okay, we do have a 3 minute inversion here. We closed above, taking out these equal lows. It is an entry. Oh. Really clean equal lows taken here. That would be the entry. Stop at the low. I like this trade. Place order. Save. Right there, yeah. Break even on this. First TP on this, I think. Yeah, on this high or even. Oh, even higher. Well, let's see how much higher. Would it be all the way here? Yeah, all right. So this would be first, and that'll be final, which all-time highs if we want to get all the way up there. That would be a 3-minute entry. Let's see what we have. And then the inversion would be right here, this tiny one. I would say this trade looks pretty good. That would be the inversion. Okay, let's see. And break even on the S, that would be right here. That's break even. Playing out all this price. Do you want to go now? Do we actually want to go now? Doesn't look like it. Maybe out of nowhere. Okay, really slow price here. This is on a 3-minute chart. There's a 1 minute looking like not too good, but still. And then wait, oh, this as first TP. Yeah. Oh, so we're almost there. Wait, actually, is it? Oh no, it's this high. Oh, that line was wrong. That would be first TP. And this would be final, which all-time highs. So I'm going to pay out all this price here. Or it will be outside my kill zone, and it probably is looking like it will be outside the kill zone. 15, 14, 57, 15. Oh, 1512, what? 1508 was right here. Let's see if he can get it to go a bit higher. Right there. Okay, so that's 100% off. Okay, so slow price action, but still. And then 1508 was right here. So yeah, around there. That's good. And then full TP. 1.2. 48 RR. 1508. Alright, nice. I guess. Still a W is a W, so nothing wrong with it. Alright, paste in there. Beautiful. I started backtesting like crazy the other day. I went through the whole month of February and up 17%. That's crazy. Nice. Which increased my win rate up to 46. Nice, man. Nice. Which software I'm using to backtest? It's FX Replay. You can see here on the top. It's not this. It looks like this is an app, but you could just, if you search on FX Replay and you're on there, if you have like Google Chrome or Brave or probably another browser as well, you can click on here and you can download it, and then it becomes like almost like an app. But it's FX Replay. Is it free or does it have a monthly sub? Monthly sub, yeah. Yeah, a 5-day free trial, but they do have different plans, so I can look it up. So they have a free plan. They have the free plan is not too good from what I've seen. It's not too good, but you can use it to just get familiar with it. And then the intermediate one, and then I have the pro one, which is $30 a month. And this actually changed because this was 35, or maybe because if you use a creator code, you could get $5 off. But I don't know how much I'm paying now. Then I'll check it out, of course, man. Nice. Yo, Sunnyside, what's up, man? All right. So going to the next day now, which is Wednesday, which will only be the AM session trading. This looks awful. All right, so let's see where we are in price. So it looks like we're still in this bigger time frame gap. What do we have here? Okay, we don't have a singular gap, so we get 12-hour. So we're still in this 12-hour gap. I still think we're gonna go higher. We have all-time highs up there. Do an SMTT's highs. What do we have in this leg from swing low to swing high? 1 hour here. We have a singular busy. Got closed below, closed above, and then this is still holding 29 minutes. If it closes below, then that will be the target. If ES also did the same thing, which it does look like it did. Swing low, swing high. Singular gap. Oh, that'll be right here. If he closed below this one as well, then also would be looking for shorts until the range low, which would then be here. And then for NQ, that's also 1 hour, and we'll be looking for shorts until the range or the range low, the significant low, which would be all the way there. Okay, so let's see. I still would be bullish, but yeah, if you close below, which it does look like we are going to, then I'm looking for shorts. Yeah, and that's right there. Yeah, okay. Head out. See Jimmy. Have a nice evening with your family, man. Trading view isn't great, but do you think I would still be able to get enough data to backtest? Their buy/sell function sucks though. No, I don't really think it will actually be that good on FX or on trading view, because on trading view, if you just want to trade from like 9:30 open and you're looking for your buys and you go to like a 4-hour chart, and it literally showed you what that next 4 hour was going to do, like, or it removes all the data. I don't know how they do it now, but it isn't so good on trading view. You can do like I've seen people go on trading view and they go to like the old contracts for NQ and MN or NQ and ES. So they go to like the what is it, like NQ1 and then 2023 or something, and then they trade that contract and they backtest in there, but still the same thing. But I don't think it's definitely not as good at FX replay. Yeah. All right, so let's see. Okay, so now we have taken that low already, and from here we have that significant low, which we didn't close below. But still, we are in this bigger time frame gap. Yeah, it still would be bullish from here, or bearish from here. And then this next significant low, which on yes is right there. FX replay is way too expensive. Yeah, it is. You can get it like for like you can get a 7-day free trial, and you could just make. That's what I did in the beginning as well. You can make like 100 Gmail accounts, and then you could just get the 7-day free trial, and then once that's over, like you could just cancel it, and then again create a new Gmail, use that Gmail, and then from there. But what I say, I was looking for bearish price. I'm actually looking for bullish price in this 12-hour gap. No reason to look for lower, only if we inverse that here. And then we take a 4-hour low. We did, so I have to wait for a 5-minute low to get taken, which we didn't do it yet. And it would be bullish, but probably we won't get any higher. We just close below this now. Oh, they close below this now, of course. Inversion. And that would be, what was it? The 1 hour also on yes. Okay, so it is shorts. Can you explain why buy side sell side liquidity is the target for most of your trades? From my understanding, once price hits and stops those people out, price just keep going. Why does IC say it? IC doesn't say that. Like, it's just once it gets there, like the idea is with like smart money is like you have like market maker buy models, market maker sell models, and what IC explains really is like, let's say you're bullish, and then how IC is placed, like he really doesn't say okay it should reverse from there, but we have like this here, that would be original consolidation. Oh, there'll be some stage accumulation. There will be smart money reversal. So smart money would buy here, then he would say, and then this would be, that would be a form of buy side liquidity. But just make it simple, this would be a form of buy side liquidity as well. That would just be if smart money bought below here, then they're just gonna get their orders off here. Smart money are the people that ICT says they created the algorithm, but they, like, it's just you wanna believe it or not, but like they created the algorithm. And they also don't know, if you're going to create an algorithm, like you don't know what the algorithm is going to do, because it's just like, it's yeah, what is it basically? Like it's AI basically, but they also don't know what the algorithm is going to do, but they trade with it. And then once they go long here, they know it should go there because of the algorithm, but they don't know what it's going to do after, because that algorithm is going to change from there, or it's just going to follow another, like, I don't know how to explain it in English, but I hope this was already a simple example. Like they're just going to buy here, they know there's a lot of liquidity above here, so there would be support and resistance traders here or breakout traders here. So breakout traders would go long in here, so they have buy stops on here. Support and resistance traders, they go short here, or also have their buy stops above here, just above there. So it's just a lot of liquidity here, and when smart money buys below here, they're just going to get their position off there, because they don't know what it's going to do after, but they do know there's a lot of liquidity above there. As ICT bullshit, yeah, that's just what you want to believe. That's just the narrative behind it. Imagine only a few days left. It is, yeah. Wow, actually crazy. 2025. Actually crazy, yeah. But it's just the narrative. Like, if it makes sense to you, like, yeah, then it could work, of course, right? And to me, it does make a bit of sense. I really like to look at, not really as like algorithm, but I like to look at like patterns, or also like equal lows, equal highs. And I do know, like, there are actually people in there, like lows and highs, or lows and highs. There are actually people in there, so you can already assume that there is actually liquidity up there, and it still would make sense with that narrative. Still don't really get it, but thanks anyways. Oh, how can I else explain it? Like, it's just, there isn't like anything confirmed to it. Like, it shouldn't say, okay, we go here and then we reverse. We could just trade through, and no one really knows. But it's just with the narrative of with ICT concepts. Yeah, I tried to do my best with it. But yeah, it doesn't mean like we should reverse, we should go through there, but just the narrative that's always behind it. That's the important thing. Really don't know where I was now in the in price. Let's see. So 4 hour low got taken, 5 minute low got taken. What time is this? Temporary 5. Looking for longs. All right, so this is actually an entry there. Closure above would be already here. Stop at the low. That would be the inversion. Where are you now in your journey for FX? What are you trading? Also ICT concepts. And then first CP will be minimum of 1 and 2, sci-fi 1 or 3. That'll be right there. This looks so against the trend, but I have to take this. I don't like it either, but I have to take this one. That would be the inversion. Taking out liquidity. Yeah, it is. Okay. That's a break even. And I already got break even on this candle, so I shouldn't be in this. Yeah, break even trade. To prevent me getting fully stopped, I would still be bullish, but also almost outside the kill zone. Bro, I know you're so consistent to your model, but let me tell you this: if you can try it, I think it will prevent you from losing or break even high futures entries and re-entering multiple times. What do you mean then, Fora? There are different types of trading methods. As long as strategy makes you profitable, use it. Yeah, of course, yeah. Try only entering after a sweep of a 4 hour swing low, and if you're eager, you can use a 1 hour swing low, but the 4 hour is so much high probability. Like, we haven't taken a 4 hour low now, so but it doesn't always have to be a sweep of bigger time frame liquidity. Like, if the narrative is really bullish, like for me, when it's like here, like this in here, that would be an imbalance. Like, we didn't take out our 4 hour low. Or you mean like just a 4 hour low, not a swing low? You always look at the drawn liquidity for the targets, but not the sweeps before going to the target. I always wait for the sweep. That's the equal lows taken on the lower time frame. We don't have to take real, actual big liquidity in here. Like here, this, we don't have to. I know what you mean, yeah, but it would just change the entire thing. I mean, swing low. So in here, this day, you wouldn't look for any trade in here. And then in this day, also no trade in here, or, oh, that would be 10 AM, that would be the next day then, yeah. That would be right here. And then what time after, like New York, and then a new 4 hour low, or before New York. Like, what I want is the rules to be as objective as possible. It's the higher time frame swings that are the sweeps. Yeah, I know what you were saying. Oh, go to the next day here, by the way. But I wanna let's see. I wanna get a good example of it. So I think this is a good example already. Okay, so here, or 4 hour gap. Oh, we don't have one yet. What do you have on the yes? Also not a single one. but we are in this gap here then. But yeah, from here, I'm just expecting, like, I don't have to look at a specific 4-hour time frame, because this is just the exact same as the 4-hour time frame, like this right here. Like, I don't see what a 4-hour swing low is, but this is the exact same market structure, but just seeing more of it. But here I know, okay, just looking at this structure, I know that we are in a big imbalance in here. We don't have any 4-hour low in here, but I'm also not expecting for the market to go here and then go there. Like, I'm expecting for the market to stay inside of this range, even though there aren't a 1-hour low, there isn't a 1-hour low, there isn't a 4-hour low. We don't have to take it before we go here, and this would be the drawn liquidity. This idea prevented me from trading many days, but less losses. Yeah, I would say that's so personal, right? And we could go here before we want to go higher, but we don't have to. Again. And so far the data is looking good, right? If there's nothing wrong with the system, then there's no reason to change it, right? But here we did take this low. Wouldn't be a 1 or 4-hour. But for here, like, we're now at all-time highs, and I don't think there's any reason to be looking for lower prices. I still think we're gonna go higher. So I'm just looking at the structure in here. Like, I'm not looking at, okay, we have to take this before, because otherwise I would be on a charge the entire day without anything. Like, could also be something, but yeah. See, you swept it first. Yeah, but not a 4-hour low or 1-hour low. We don't have to go here before we go higher. So I still think we're gonna go higher. 2 minutes, 3 minute. Look, we have, and I always wait for like internal low. So this also wouldn't be a 4-hour low, but it would be like an internal low. This would be internal as well. 10:09 in the right time as well. Taking equal lows, this would be an entry. Stop at the low. Right there. Equal lows taken. This does look really good. 1-1 break even. Place. Save. Do you only trade during news events? I trade on, yeah. I trade on days where we do have news, yeah. And then that would be break even on yes. Alright, so that's a break even. And that would be TP. Oh shit, let's see if I can actually take it off. Alright, that would be 75% off. And then 1 of 5. Again, I want to try 3.5 or like 1 of 5. I would say that's because normally it would be, we are at all-time highs now. Like, as I said, there's no reason to be looking for lower prices, just looking at the internal structure, because there is no other structure here on the left. So just looking at this internal structure, taking out equal lows, the liquidity before we go higher. So that also would be the internal, that would be the internal sweep. And then target a 1 or 2 fixed TP, because I always take minimum of 1 or 2. There's no target here on the left, which is in the 1 or 2, so it'll be 1 or 2 fixed. And now, because there's still no target on the left, it will be 1 of 5 fixed TP, full TP, because I think the market's going to go higher. There's no reason to look for lower prices in this bullish trending market. So we should just go and trend higher into, again, further into all-time highs. But normally it's a 1 of 5, and I want to try a 3.5 now, because I've seen that'll be like the sweet spot, 3.5. So I'm gonna have it on there. Let's see, and stops are break even, so if we get stopped out, it doesn't matter. Oh, was this news? 11:59. No, it wasn't. Okay, but that's full TP. And then let's see the 1 of 5. Don't know what this all is. Okay, nice. What? Thursday. Wait, I'm not even allowed to trade this session or this day. Oh no, it was only AM session. No. Okay, but yeah, like sweet spot. 3.5, beautiful. Like fair, like I don't want to say like, oh look now, because it would be so hindsight, like it could be a loss, but like, do you know what, like still this would be, I've seen this work a lot more times, and then like, why is this not, like, why shouldn't I do this? 3.5 full TP. If it works, then why do something else? Why use something else? All right, put this on the top. That's a beautiful trade. And then copy the image, and that will go right there. All right, looking for the next day, which will be medium impact folder. So no trading on Friday. Don't trade medium impact folder on Friday. Go to Monday, where it's a bank holiday. Go to Tuesday, where we have Trump speaking. And it wasn't the same as Powell speaking. Like normally I see Powell speaking as major impact folder news. But Powell is the head of the Federal Reserve, so it's not, Donald Trump is not that important. Yeah, we'll see. So only I will be trading the entire day in this. We do have bricks, I won't be trading this. And then Thursday, bricks probably as well, yeah. And a Friday looks like a good trading day. Or Friday, wait, what? Oh, yeah, skipping this day, wait, what? So I'm confused on this. We are at Monday now. Go to the next day. This will be Tuesday, okay, so let's see. Remove. Do you use fundamental analysis for price action, or you just use price action only? No, honestly, don't really use any real fundamental analysis. Is there any? No. Just it would just only be what is it called? Only technical analysis. I get you. I like to trade 50-minute IFEG, so probably that's why I wait for 4 hour. That was a nice trade there. Yeah, it's like the system. If you just look like the data, I can see from the data, okay, it's a working system. So why should I change a working system? If it's a working system, then why change it? There's like a saying with it. I can't come up with it, but it's like I'll try. It's like if it isn't broken, then don't fix it. Yeah, that's it. If it's not broken, then don't fix it. It's really simple, but yeah. And that would be a 2 hour gap. We have an SMT at this. I still think we're going to go higher, just looking at the structure. I do not like that we have all these lows here, which would be like a clean trend line on here. Don't like that, but still there's no reason to look for lower prices still with the higher time frame trend, which would be bullish. Looking at all this structure, we have price it up here, which probably will be taken right away at 9:30. Price it up there, price it up there. All right, so looking at this, we have Trump speaking. Or was it? Yeah, Trump speaking at 12. Don't have any other news. Let's see in this. Okay, so just playing out structure. That's the high already taken. I was waiting for like a drop lower, maybe into these lows, but we didn't, unfortunately. Probably gonna trade through all of these highs as well, but still would wait. Okay, I would say this does look really good. Smart money reversal, first stage. No, it wouldn't be an entry. Low, was it low risk buy, first stage? No, there's no entry. Would wait for more structure still. ES is taking this high now. Looks good. Okay, we have an inversion here. ES at all-time highs, crazy. No retracement, nice reaction off that BISI. And then yeah, for NQ there's still a target which would be all-time highs. We do have clean lows here now, so maybe hopefully we could go lower before we go there. We do need to see at least a sweep before we go higher. So nothing yet. Yeah, that's taken. Okay, so now same thing. We're at all-time highs. No reason to look for lower prices. Now just looking for my setup again in this structure. Like there's no other structure to look at than this structure that we have here now. So just playing out price here. Doesn't look like we have anything, so waiting. Create some clean equal lows here. Same on ES. Maybe this would also be, this also does look like a bit of a trend line. So hopefully you want to drop through those lows, then create more structure, and then we'll see what actually happens. Drop lower, where are we actually dropping lower into then as well, or where could we drop lower into? 30-minute chart is doing weird again. FX replay really should fix that. Yeah, can't really look at like a singular imbalance, but probably this entire like all of this would probably be an imbalance on 50-minute, 1 hour, like everything. So just looking at the structure, we have taken equal lows here now. 11:03 would also almost be the AM session for me. Wait here 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Okay, so we have German inversion here. It would be a valid entry if we close above, but yeah, 3 more minutes and it will be outside my kill zone, which is right now. So I'm not allowed to enter on this. Go to the PM session. Trump spoke at lunch. So let's see what we actually have. 30 minute. Okay, now it's working. 2 hour. Okay, so I don't have a singular gap, but still it would be a 30 minute here then. And then on ES, we do have a singular gap, which would be on the 1 hour. Nice reaction off of CE. I thought that in order to trade during news, it's must to know the fundamentals. So I have been trading only when there's no major news. And what do you consider major or high impact folder news? But it's like the idea of trading with news. Like it's not trading while news is releasing. Like not at the moment that news is releasing, but like could be literally a minute after news releases. And then sometimes you don't trade before news, and then I always have to rule like when there's high impact folder news, I don't trade 50 minutes before, and when it's released, I can enter literally 1 minute after. But like you use it after a news event, like I like to use it like this way. Like the big players in the market, they are not risking their money before a news event, so they wait until after news gets released, and then after news gets released, like you always see that price is moving quicker to targets, like it's weighing, or it's more it's faster. Like you could see it moving faster after news events, and then that's just what traders need. And then after news gets released, then you want to be in trades because they move faster. That's what traders need, like volatility, and that's why a lot of people trade on, especially on days where we do have news. And there aren't probably good examples in this, but yeah, we had Trump speaking at 12. What did we really do? We did go higher from here. Yeah, it wouldn't really be a good example, but it's just, this is someone speaking, but maybe like CPI, that would be like a good one, good example for it. But I'm not trading this day because we have pricks, but there probably will be a nice example somewhere. So trade lower, 10 or 13.28. I still think we're going to go higher. We have taken equal lows here now. This would be an inversion if we close above, which we don't yet. We trade lower. Okay, nothing here yet. Now we trade above. We've taken the sell side here. Oh, we take equal lows. Okay, so it would be an entry. Stop at the low. That'll be the inversion. The right time as well. Yeah, 13.39. And then break even will be at a minimum of 1 to 1. It will be a 1-1 break even, or minimal, maximum of 1 to 1. All right, so that's the 1-1 break even, literally at the high as well. Minimum of 1 to 2 RR for first TP. That'll be the all-time high since IFA 103. That'll be first TP. Break even on yes. It's not even on here. This is all balanced. All right, so this will be first TP, and then even expecting for the price or market to go even higher. We'll see what we do actually. That's a break even. See where we're gonna go. Break even trade did prevent me from getting fully stopped, so that's good. Copy image, and that'll be break even. Still think we're gonna go higher. Let's see, am I? Will be a, oh, we have a singular 2 hour gap in here. Do you look for daily or weekly profiles? Yeah, I also really look at, not daily profiles, but I really look at weekly profiles. Daily profiles, not really looking into it, or not really looking at it. Like when it's really, really obvious, then I could say, oh, this really looks like a seek and destroy day, or this really looks like it's going to be a new or continuation, or for example, but I don't really look specifically for it. But also weekly profiles don't really look specifically for it, but like I do use it in like the economic calendar. Like, okay, the economic calendar, Monday we don't have any news, Tuesday we don't have any news, Wednesday we have high impact follower news, for example. Then I'm expecting, okay, it could be a Monday accumulation, Tuesday manipulation, or Tuesday accumulation, and then Wednesday manipulation, midweek reversal. Then I do look at it. And I also consider it in a Friday. So when we have like a really bearish or bullish week, then most of the time when we are really, really bullish, the high of the week is already at the Friday. Like we're still in the Friday and it's already at the high of the week. Like I'm never looking for shorts in that day, because when is there actually going to be a weekly profile? Well, where Friday is going to take the high of the week and it's going to take the low of the week. So I would always be looking for then bullish prices on a Friday, like those small things. Thank you, Max. Thank you, man. Thank you. Thanks for the important info. I have an idea. I now have an idea on how it works. Nice, man. Yeah, whatever works for you, like the narrative, like whatever makes sense to you. Like you don't need to know what actually is happening. Anything could be profitable, like I would say, right? So can the same week be classic? So can the same week be classic expansion on Tuesday, but Wednesday reversal on the next day? What do you mean? Classic expansion, then you mean the low week on Tuesday or high of the week on Tuesday? But Wednesday reversal on the next day. So you mean like Tuesday a low or high of the week, and then Wednesday expansion, and then still having Tuesday low of the week, high of the week. So let's see here. What is this, Thursday? So on the right, oh yeah. Oh, Tuesday. Yeah, okay, so there's nothing. Yeah, I would still be looking for a bullish price in this, even in this drop here. So that'll be stage accumulation. Stage accumulation, we did just drop into this gap here. But I have to wait for a lot more structure probably. Is the 4 hour low? No, okay. So let's see. Waiting for all this structure. It does look like you want to go lower, obviously. But I would still be bullish in this, and if there's just not gonna, if we just continue dropping lower, then my sub isn't even gonna form, which will protect me of getting catching this falling knife here, and then this would be the range where we are in. And then on ES, 1 hour gap here, and then this would be the range where we are in. All right. And then looking at this structure, didn't take out a 4 hour low. No, okay, this would be an inversion if we close above, and that would be an entry, which hopefully we don't do, but I think we will. Okay, so we did close above. Oh, and this would be my break even, so I'm not going to enter on this because there would be my break even, and yeah, no entry anymore. Just waiting for all this structure. If we're just going to drop lower, that's totally fine. Like, not interested in shorts, so does look like we want to go way lower, and I'm still looking for bullish price because this is still respecting even low is like, yeah, sorry, great, perfect equal lows. Like, still this is not close below, so for me that still would be okay. I can't look for bearish price, so only if this tells me okay, then we're gonna go lower. But yeah, this is just a day without a setup. This would be outside my kill zone, so that's nice. Go and skip all these days because I think this is all bricks. So this is bricks. Oh yeah, and Friday. Yeah, I will be trading on this Friday, or Thursday, and then Friday. All right, so look, this is beautiful. This looks really choppy in all of this. We did trade lower. I don't know where lower to. We created even more lows, crazy, but still I have to follow this trend, which is still bullish. No reason to looking for lower prices. 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour. It's probably gonna create something in here as well, but I will mark this out, which will be a 50 minute, will be a 30-minute gap in this entire thing here. Entire leg. And that would be right here on ES. Alright, this just tells me, okay, we're just bullish from here, internal to external. We got that already. We're at all-time highs again. ES not there yet, so this is a target for ES. But yeah, for expecting for us to just trend in all-time highs again. Looking at this structure. What do we have in this leg? Swing low, swing high. I see a similar gap in here, maybe a 5 minutes. Okay, it would be a similar 15 minutes. Right here. And then on ES, what do we have in here? 50-minute, 30-minute. We have a singular 30-minute gap in here, which we don't have to tap into, but it is there. Again, internal to external, I would expect then. Do have clean lows here. Maybe want to have like a Judy swing in here and then go higher. Who knows, but we'll see. Drop lower. 15-minute is still respected, getting respected, or it didn't close below it yet, so that's why. That'll be the range. That'll be the range, and even if you go lower, take out the low of this, that would still be bullish because of that bigger time frame cap. I deleted on yes, but still there. Why did you stop trading TGR? I wanted to. I was looking for. I was trading how TGR trades, and I wanted to have more knowledge. And he talked about ICT, and eventually I did go to ICT, and I was kind of like hoping for. I was hoping to find the golden nugget, which of course there isn't in trading, but I really tried to, and just got into ICT and just got way more information, too much actually, like so much information which you really don't need, and then eventually I just but that's the reason why I stopped trading how TGR trades. Yes, that is Tuesday. I have the low of the week, but then Wednesday puts reversal. If it's a classical expansion week, then the low of the week or high of the week is going to be on Tuesday, and you also have a weekly profile where it's a midweek reversal, and then the low or the high of the week is going to be on Wednesday. So Wednesday will take out Monday and Tuesday high, and then it will be like a midweek reversal, which will be on a Wednesday. Then can that happen in the same week, or did I misread it? Yeah, what I said, yeah. If Wednesday puts in high or low of the week, it's a midweek reversal. And then, and only if Tuesday puts in the high or low of the week, it's a classic expansion, classic reversal week. Or classic, same thing. So what's your strategy with trading during news? Me personally don't really trade on days. There are major news just because of volatility, but also because I'm kind of clueless on what to do with it. I have a lot of rules with news. So I look at these days as the major ones. So we have NFP, we have FOMC, we have CPI, and I see Powell speaking as major news as well. So these would be high impact folder news, but I classify them as major. And then all the other high impact folder news, and that would be red folder. So on these days, nothing really, like I have like a top list in here as well. The biggest one for me would be NFP, then it would be Powell, then it's FOMC, then it's CPI. That would be like the order. And then with NFP, I'm not trading an entire day before it. So NFP is always on Friday, first day of the, or first week of the month, and then always the first Friday. Thursday, the day before NFP, I'm not trading. And then waiting until NFP is released, which will be at 8:30. So always 9:30, I'm always good. And then Powell speaking, if we have Powell speaking, it could be any day, but also if Powell speaking at the same day, he could be speaking in the afternoon, he could be speaking in the AM session, he could be speaking anytime. But I also don't trade the day before Powell is going to speak, and I don't trade the same day until after he is going to speak. So he's like literally at the moment, he could be speaking at 13 p.m., for example. And I can trade after 13 p.m., but I won't be trading before it. And then FOMC, I will be skipping the entire, like I can trade the day before it, but I won't be trading the same day until after it's released. And then CPI, I'm just allowed to trade after it's released and then not doing anything before. But these are like the major ones. And then high impact folder, red folder news, these also will go for these ones as well. When we have high impact folder news, I won't trade 50 minutes before it. And then literally 1 minute after, I'm allowed to trade. But don't trade 50 minutes before it. And what else am I missing? I think that's all it. And then I have medium impact folder news as well, like a lot of rules, but yeah. Makes sense, yeah. Like I've seen from data, and that's just also like ICT concepts in general, what he says, what he thinks is best, and then of course like you don't go fully blind into it, like you have to see it for yourself. And what I've seen, yeah, it always comes back to those things which I made the rules around. So yeah. So what we bullish in this is Friday. We do have news, but it was at 8:30. So waiting, but yeah, it's the best to trade on days where we do have news. And then medium impact folder news days, I don't trade The PM session only will be trading the AM session because of medium impact. So yeah, let's see what we do. We dropped lower, obviously. This got inverse now, actually. Didn't take out a range high. We did on NQ, so it actually is bearish now. Yeah, okay, so we are bearish now until... It's not even inversion, but still. Low there would be like a 15 minute or 30 minutes. 5 minutes. 15, okay. So this got inversed. Pretty small one. And that tells me, okay, we should go at least to this low here. And the same thing on ES. That would be the sell side now. And that would be on a 30 minutes. This got inversed. Taking out the range high in this. So NQ taking out the range high, which would be here, which is all-time highs. There's nothing on the left. Then inversing this, that tells me, okay, we should at least go to the sell side. So looking for shorts now. So looking for my bearish setup. Let's see. Hopefully, yeah, I do like this. Like the retracement, that would be the fake move, I would say. 50 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay, so we do have a 50-minute SIBI in here as well. This got closed back above, but still. SIBI. And then because we should close back above, where's the inversion? That would be here. But then ES also needs to do the same, which will be on a 30 minute, 11 minute actually. Wow. Yes, let's see. That will be right here. So what did we do now? Again, really don't like that we create all these equal lows here, but this got closed back above. So reclaim busy. And then ES closed back above, reclaim busy. Next start, the high again. The high again. And then again, not looking for shorts. Really don't like this in here, but that's just creating like a bear time frame market maker sell model. That would be a stage of accumulation. Maybe the original consolidation, really don't know in this, but could be anything. Could be this as the original consolidation, could be, yeah, anything, but preparing, building something up for the bigger time frame. Probably bearish prices then. Let's see in here, yeah, so looking for shorts, bullish prices. Let's see. This would be a nice fake move lower then. See what we have here. That would be a 3 minutes. If ES takes this low, then would be an entry. Okay, ES takes that. If we now inverse, then it's an entry, which we do. ES takes out this low, and then these equal lows, which would be the internal sweep. Equal lows taken there. And NQ still holding this as a reclaim busy. I would say this is really nice. That'll be the inversion. That'll be entry. I'm not really confident with this trade, but it does look pretty good, but I don't know why, but I'm not confident with it. Breaking will be at a fixed 1-to-1. For CP will be a minimum of 1 or 2 and sci-fi 1 or 3, which will be the buy side up here, which is all-time highs. And for ES the same thing, which is here. I can just mark out, but still all-time highs. And then 3.5 full TP right there. All right, let's see what we do. That's a break even. ES taking out all-time highs, but still on NQ we're not at a 1. Oh, actually we are. We did hit it. So that'll be a really nice TP. Let's see if I can actually take it off on the FX replay. Nice at the 1 and 2. So beautiful trade. That's a reclaim busy. I would say that's looks really nice. And then 1 and 2 are 75% off here. It's on the right and then the top. And then 3.5 is full TP. And that's right there. All right, so let's see. Yeah, let's see in this. What time is this? 11:42. Okay, so rest is break even, which is totally fine. And then marking this out as a 3.5, so I know for my notion. All right, beautiful trade. I'm gonna copy this. And wow, look at this. Like this is what I was expecting for NQ to also do, but really just moving the opposite direction. Okay, so that's a nice W. And do you personally believe news are predictable? More precisely, they don't go are predictable. I really don't think they're predictable, no. But I do think they are like coded in some way, or I don't know how to say it, but there is something behind it. Like they do already know. Like the algorithm already knows what news is gonna do, and it trades most of the time. Like it's always gonna do something. It's either gonna take out the people Like let's say we're bullish, then the news is first gonna go lower to take out the stops and then go to the buy side. Like that's what news is gonna do, or it's just gonna instantly trade to the buy side. Like one of those two things always, of course. Of course that makes sense because news is always, it's pretty big always. But I do think it's like they know what news is gonna do already, yeah. But I don't think it's predictable, or you're not able to predict it as a retailer. I want to start trading futures, so I would like some insight on them, like which trading platform and broker you use. Are you already profitable, Litic? Otherwise, like trading platform / broker, if you're not profitable on like Forex or any other thing, then that's like the last question. Because, yeah, like broker, you don't need it if you aren't profitable yet. And that's not like say I'm like, that's just the truth. Like I'm not profitable as well, but it's just yeah. Like first you need to build everything. So let's see where we are now. So that's 15th of November. I'm skipping this day because that was a nice W. Going to Monday where we don't have any news. Go to Tuesday. Okay, so Tuesday, what do we have here with news? Wait, I gotta check something by the way. Oh, I'm good. Okay, so Tuesday, 19th of November. Okay, so only AM session trading. Okay, it looks like a good trading week. Okay, so where are we now in price? Still with all these lows, but yeah, I'm not gonna look for shorts like, oh yeah, look at all these lows, like we should go there. Like I'm just following the trend. Like we're really, really bullish still. There's no reason to look for lower prices. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Just looking for bullish prices. And then what do we have in here? So we don't really have any singular imbalance in this. What do we have on the yes? 2 hour. Okay, nothing in here. 4 hour. Okay, so don't have a singular gap. What do we have then? 50 minutes. 30 minutes. Okay, so we have a singular. We have a busy year on the 30 minutes. And this would be the range from this low to this high, or this low. Still think we're gonna go higher, even though it doesn't really look, yeah, that would just be short term. Still think we're gonna go higher. And on NQ, that'll be a 50 minutes, which we are holding here. So let's see what we do. Really don't like marking out these small gaps in here because we could go all the way lower, and then still, like I would like to mark out bigger time frame gaps. So we'll see what happens in this. And then marking out stages of accumulation in this market strength sell buy model. Sorry. And these would be stages of accumulation. Really clean highs here on ES. All right. And that would be the original consolidation. All right, so let's see. I'm profitable in trading Forex only, so I was interested in moving on to futures. Yeah, then yeah, futures. Like it's really good, but like with broker, I do know a few, but I really haven't looked into the broker, which is like the best one. But I know Trade08. There's Trade08. You have AMP futures. You have what is it? I really need to know what it is now. You have Trade08, and then I could just look up futures brokers. Brokers. What's the one that I can come up with? It's also blue. AMP futures, Ninja Trader. What is it? I want to. Oh, TradeStation. Yeah, TradeStation. Like that's what I know, but I don't trade on brokers, so I really don't know. That's something I can help with, man. And then trading platform, yeah, that would be the same. And if you know what, do you know what futures are already, and then the benefits of it? Oh, it's Jimbo. So yeah, we're trading lower here, obviously, and this 50-minute gap, if we, oh, this would be the significant low. What else do we have in this leg? And then this would be the gap, so I would still be bullish even if we want to go there. Or is this 30-minute doing weird again? It is. Okay. And then on ES, still bullish. Okay, so still, this could be a nice Judas swing. Who knows? We'll see what happens. That got tapped. See if I can actually take the black line off. Alright, there. Did we take out a 4-hour low? No, we didn't. So still, it could be a nice Judas swing. We'll see what actually happens. Okay, we take out this low. Did we take out equal lows? I'm not going to look too far. No, we have nothing here. So waiting for more structure. Taking that low. Where are we now in structure? So this is probably going to close below. Where are we going then? And that would be all the way here on NQ. Which ES already tapped. So again, still bullish. Removing all of this. Looking at this range. 2 hour. 4 hour, there's literally nothing in here. So it looks just marking out the range that we have in here. It should be here to here. Equilibrium. Alright, let's see what we have. Just removing this. I'm just looking at the structure. Yes, at equilibrium. At least have to see that 5-minute low get taken. Which it did now. Taking out the sell side in here. Obviously, it looks really bearish, but I'm not interested in shorts. And then this range on NQ. 2 hour. Yeah, we use 2 hour. Okay. So marking this out, let's see what we actually do in the range in this. That will be right here. You don't have to tap equilibrium, but it is there then. Obviously looks very bearish again, but still looking for bullish prices. So this got inversed on this. What do we actually do here? Okay, not going that far back, so nothing here. Waiting for more structure. Nice direction of this gap here. Taking out equal lows now. If we inverse this, and that's an entry, which we don't. No entry. Nice rejection, nothing here, waiting. It's pretty choppy now. ES at equilibrium. Could mark out optimal trade entry as well. Right there. Alright, so let's see what we do. Can remove this. Huge drop lower 1047, and I think this is just going to be a session without anything. And this outside my kill zone. So skipping this, going to the next day, which will be Wednesday, FOMC meeting minutes. So I'll be trading this entire day. But it isn't, there's a difference between, by the way, if you, like I just explained, oh, FOMC, I'm not trading, but you have FOMC meeting minutes, and you have FOMC statement. And FOMC statement is the big one, and this is just a meeting of the previous statement. So it's a detailed record of FOMC's meeting, no. But it's not the main one. And they also have like FOMC member speaking, which is also not the major one. Yo, Jack Daniels, what's up, man? How are you? So yeah, let's see where we are now in price. So this is the Wednesday. What do we have here? Oh yeah, so FOMC, let's just explain this. Okay. So where are we in structure? There's nothing in here. This is all balanced. This could be the huge drop lower actually. We'll see where ES is. Remove all this. Where are we in the charts? So yes, okay, so they close below this here, which is a 4 hour single gap in this entire thing, I think. Yeah, it is. So 4 hour, this got inverse, which we probably will close back above again. But for now, it's looking bearish until the sell side, which already got taken there. So it's actually bullish here. Doesn't matter anyway. SMT at this. Okay, so let's look at this internal structure at like a 15-minute chart. Do clean equalize up here. Hopefully we trade lower with like 930 as the Judas swing. Stage of accumulation in this market maker buy model will be really clean like a 30-minute or 1 hour 30-minute. So stage of accumulation, stage of accumulation, stage of accumulation, and then original consolidation. And these would just be targets. You don't all have to go all the way there, but yeah, these would just be targets. Where are we in price in here? 15 minutes. Okay, so we are respecting this 30-minute gap here, which I would like to see get in first, but we didn't do it yet. And then on ES, it does look really good, I think. This high has already been taken. Oh, I haven't marked this one out on ES. Okay, so in the on ES, what do we have with singular gaps in here? Does look like this is going to be a nice 1 hour inversion if we're going to close above. But yeah, just look at the structure because 930 could trade lower. Do you have taken this as sell side already? Yeah, who knows with the Judas swing. Okay, so that's high. That high is taken. See what we do. Drop lower. That high is taken as well. Still think we're gonna go higher. Next draw would be all the way up there. Inversion about to create on ES. And then what do we have on NQ? 30 minutes. Would be a 1 hour in here, which is not swing high, but still looking at this structure then. And still bullish. Let's see what we do. Taking equal lows, that would be the inversion if we close above 945. Let's see what we do. That would be the closure above. That's the entry. Break even is really tight though. That's already right there. We're gonna actually look at the structure. No, I'm not gonna look at this. So pretty tight break even. I think this will just be break even trade. First CP min with 1 and 2 inside 1 and 3. It would be all the way up there. Break even on yes right there. Let's see what we do. Break even trades. So re-entry in here. Take out this one low. No, nothing in here. No re-entry. Want to see what this is playing out, what we actually do. And then if there's something of a re-entry, I have to go back. Even if it's a loss, if it's a win, doesn't matter. Okay, so this did prevent me getting fully stopped. Copy image, that will be break even. How do you have Forex Factory as an application? You can have it here and then Forex Factory. And this only works with Brave, Google Chrome, like anything that this Brave is basically Google Chrome. But what you have is you open up forexfactory.com on internet, and then there should be an icon here, which is like download. And then you can have it as like an almost as like an app, but this is just the website actually, but it makes it look like an app. I'm not really knowledgeable of futures. Just wanted to add more to my trading portfolio, but it seems I have to do more research on them and just take it easy, slow. Yeah, of course. Yeah, there's no if you're already profitable, then there's no rush. But yeah, you should really look into it. Like if you compare them, no spreads. Everyone has the same data. No spreads. Already said that. Yeah, it just all benefits if you compare them. So where are we on? Yes, so that would be forced 30-minute busy. Still think we want to go higher. And this will be the last trading. Yeah, after this session, after this day, I'm gonna end the session. Oh yeah, was there a re-entry in this? So I got break even on this. Or no, this was for my entry. So you know, this low wasn't a re-entry. Okay, maybe there wasn't here. Taking out equal lows, 1027. That wouldn't have hit TP anyway, would be a break even trade as well. So just skipping this until the PM session. Okay, now this looks really bearish, and now this probably bigger time frame. We want to go for these lows now. And then am I even allowed to actually look for shorts in here? I would love to look for shorts in this, but does my system allow it? 4 hour. Okay, not yet. We have to reverse this, and then I am able to look for shorts. 44 minutes. All right, and on yes, that will be right here. No, 6 hour, 8 hour, 12 hour. All right, so I'm not allowed to be looking for shorts at all. Actually, we have a singular 12-hour busy. Even with this huge drop lower, we have taken a 4-hour low here, which is already right there. And I've looked for a 5-minute low get taken, which we already did. So I'm just really don't like this, but I have to. And then yeah, let's see what we do. Probably it's not gonna give any opportunity. Just playing out this structure or this price here. So yeah, I have to look for a bullish setup in this, which I don't like, but I have to. Take out this low, nothing here. Wait. Really clean lows there. Nice drop. Taking out equal lows. That would be an inversion if we close above, which we do. I do like this setup, even with this huge drop lower. And then we did we actually? We inversed this on NQ, but that would be that lag in here. So I still see this as a reclaim busy because ES is still holding this. And then the range that we are in on NQ, that'll be right here. I'm pretty I do like this this trade. But we'll see. That'll be the inversion. and right there. Place order safe. All right, break even is going to be at a fixed 1-to-1 because this is outside of a 1-to-1. So that'll be the break even. Break even on yes will be right here. Not even actually, that'll be right there. And then 1-1 on NQ break even. Looking at this as a market maker buy model, there'll be stage of accumulation in this. If it's the middle 1 and 2, it'll be a TP as well, which it is. That'll be first TP. It's not taken on yes, actually it isn't, so yeah, it would be right there. So that will also be the break even on yes. Okay, let's see. I really don't know, but it does look really good, I would say. Let's see. Nothing here yet. Waiting. Break even in the right time. Look at that. That's a TP, but can actually take it off on FX replay. 1 bit higher, please. No. That is the reason FX replay should have. What is it? Okay, so this is, yeah, that's fully there. So that would be 75% off. And then 1508 was already right here. That would be full TP. Let's see if you actually, nice. That's 100% off there. So even with this huge drop, look at this. It's just beautiful how, yeah, I think it's beautiful there. That would be 2.64. First TP, 75% off here. This in the middle or top center, I mean. And then 1508 is full TP. That'll be 2.19 RR full TP 1508. All right, so last nice last trade of this session. All right, yeah, I'm gonna copy this, paste in here. I want to see what price actually did. Okay, go higher. Don't know what this actually is. 1532. Okay, so yeah, it looks really good. Like I don't have to know the full daily. Where's the daily candle gonna go? I only have to catch, not really a small move. It's how many points is it? 30. But still, nice trade. And yeah, I'm gonna end the session here. Let's see where I left off. All right, thank you, of course, man. I took 3 really good trades backtesting today. I'm so happy with it. Nice, man. What was it? Share it in the Discord in the backtesting if you want. And then yeah, 2019. Where did I left off? Or where did I left off? I'm saying it as like a routine. If I normally start my backtesting session, I always say, oh yeah, where did I left off from yesterday with the analytics performance. Wow, it's like I'm on automatic pilot. But let's see. 7% on November. What the hell? All right, so going really well. 51% range, which is crazy. It's just like I don't like these results because I want to have these in live trades or in in the live market, but it just proves me okay, it should be a really well performing strategy. And then normally November wasn't that good price action, but now it's really good. But December is the one I'm most curious about. August and December are my worst months, and yeah, I'm really curious about December. If it's going to be maybe -1%, no, I think it's going to be like -2 or around break even. But really curious what December is going to do. And yeah, this looks great. And then yeah, 179 trades, 68 break even, a lot of break even trades. You could say, oh, there were like 20-30 wins, which would have been so much, but the system wouldn't work then. If I took those break even trades, if I had some other way for those break even trades, or never would have gone break even at all, I would have had so many more losses. Like I know this break even trades prevent me from more losses than winners. Of getting winners, so that's just a really good thing. Like nothing to change about it. Really happy with this. Almost fully mechanical, so I should be able to get these results if this was a live here as well. So yeah, nothing else to say about it. Yeah. All right, gonna end it here. I was sharing Discord. Nice, man. One of them was clear turtle soup as for me. Like the thing is, like I thought, like turtle soups is so hard, man. Like if you know what it is, then like you could be spotting it really nice, but actually trading it, like I don't know who actually trades it, but wow, turtle soup, if you can actually trade it, that's insane. But nice, man. I'm curious. But yeah, gonna end it here. 8 people watching, crazy. Everyone, good night or have a nice day. Don't know where you live. Joshua, Jack, but Joshua, alright, see you, bro. Have a good one. Have a good one, Joshua. Jack as well. Polar Stacks, Litic, Max, Sunnyside, Benjamin, Farah. I don't know. Other people watching as well. I don't know. 10 viewers, crazy. Everyone, honestly, really appreciate that you're here. Gonna end it here, and then as I said, yeah, have a nice day, have a nice night. See you guys. Have a good one, guys. Yeah, have a good one, Litic. See you, man. See you on the live session. See you, man. Thank you.